Hello everyone, welcome back. Nate with 911 Rapid Response. Thank you for joining us for this rather soggy vehicle showcase. What we have for you today is this 2024 Ford Expedition SSV. Vehicle has been upfitted for the Avon Lake Fire Department out of Ohio. So much thanks to this client and trusting us all the way from Ohio with this project. And we'll start by going over aftermarket equipment that we have added at the front of the vehicle. In the grille, we have 4 Whelen T-ions. These are duo, red-white. So we will get secondary function of white out of those. Currently, the vehicle's in a park mode. Indoors, so we're reading a low ambient light. So we do have a nighttime park flash active. Also for front warning, on the sides, in the black plastic trim there on the corners of the bumper, we have the Whelen Mini T-ion. This is also a duo in red-white. So that light head there is going to give us a little bit of intersection warning at the front of the vehicle with the absence of a push bumper or anything else at the front end. Main piece of warning equipment is the rooftop light bar, 54-inch Whelen Liberty 2 Duo. So we will get red-white capability to the front sides and red-amber to the rear. Side warning, 6-lamp tracer Duo. So this is the Weekend X tracer assembly. We will get white functionality out of that as well. And in the side rear cargo windows, we have 2 Whelen ions. These are universal mount, duo, red-white. And before we cruise on to the rear, take a step back and take a look at the graphics package. This vehicle does have the black over red, so the vehicle was painted at the dealership, top third black to match the rest of the existing fleet. And for the graphics, we have some unit identifiers, department name in gold leaf. We have the reflective stripe going front to back. And we've also got a couple of graphics there, as well as the department seal on the side rear window. Finish off the graphics package at the rear with partial chevron at the bottom of the tailgate. And some more department wording and unit identifier there as well. So for rear warning, we have the Weekend X 2250 light stick. This is the 6-head light stick with the flat ends. So we're able to utilize that device as an arrow stick, directional arrows, and also warning capability. We have 2 Whelen universal ions on a license plate bracket. And we've also got surface mounted 2 Whelen T-ions on the rear bumper. The rear bumper and the license plate lights, those are trios, red, amber, and white. So we will get some rear functionality with the white function, so reverse or rear scene. And we'll see that here in a moment. And to finalize the rear warning, we've also got the taillight flashers going. Let's make sure we're unlocked here. And we'll go over our storage solution in the rear. So with the door pop, we get deactivation of the lights on the exterior of the hatch. And if this switch was active in either position, red or white, those would automatically turn on. So we don't have to worry about leaving those on and not noticing them drawing down on the battery, so on and so forth. Custom 911 just box it storage solution. So we've got 3 locking drawers on the right-hand side, varying sizes. We've also got a location top right for 2 radios. And then we also have provided them charging ports, so standard 12-volt cigarette plug and USB charging, so USB-A and USB-C. Those radios will be added at the department by their radio provider upon delivery of this vehicle. We've also got an open storage space here with standard Velcro strap. So simple function there, just to keep anything that goes in there retained from sliding out. And we've also got a large locking sliding drawer here, which is closed on the rear section and on the street side. And in this area here where we would be operating command, it is open so we can access turnout gear, helmet, boots, anything else that they might want to store in there loosely, so that it would be safely kept and contained while that drawer is locked. Go ahead and close the hatch. You can take a look from the interior side. Vehicle also is equipped with a Koosmal shoreline that is kind of integrated here on the rear quarter. Front side of the box is accessible here for mounting. We've also got a power strip there that is hooked up to the inverter. And the bottom portion of that storage solution there is removable so that we can access that for electronic storage and so on. Take a look between the seats. We have the vehicle specific Havas console. This is the wide version suited for the Expedition. And you'll see that we have an open space there underneath the CENTCOM core control head for radio head to be added after delivery. Got side-mounted armrests, cup holders, and a accessory pocket on the wide side. We've also got the remote for the inverter there as well. So we'll go over some functionality. As you can see with the door pop on either side, we will get the steady white feature. And once that door closes, it'll go back to its warning state. Other features that we have here, we can individually select our scene features, but with one press of a button, we can activate all of our steady white feature. So as you can see, anything that is capable of going steady white will be front, side, and rear. We did leave some warning at the front bumper, front grille, just for some visibility there for safety. And you'll also get some warning at the rear. We don't fully flood everything white to the rear either. So low power park, we'll go ahead and manually disable our low power and go to high power. So this is our park flash and daytime operation. If we cruise around to the rear, again, we have our dual color DVI there in low power. Take the vehicle out of park. This will give us our priority warning, so white flashing to the front and sides. The vehicle is also equipped with the Weekend X howler, so we will get low frequency siren tones and air horn features as well. Low power will decrease the intensity of our flash. On instances where maybe it's snowy, foggy, or inclement weather, where that white flash might get a little distracting, we can decrease the intensity of the emergency warning there. And we do also have a cruise feature built in. So this is a low power steady burn, non-emergency function. So if you just wanted a little bit of visibility, working at an event or a parade, something like that, you can utilize this feature just for presence. And that'll wrap it up, folks. Very sharp vehicle here. This is actually one of the more favorite projects I've worked on this year. And again, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe, follow on all of our social media outlets, and stay tuned for more. Great project here through all phases. Upfitting technicians did a great job. Graphics did a great job, and we're proud of this one. We'll see you next time.